In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard and tapping on this gear between clipboard and three dots. Now select Theme section. Scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now just select the best one for you and click on it. Now you can manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you're ready, choose Apply to save your keyboard. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you want to customize it though, access exactly the same settings, but this time select this plus under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!